So today I picked this Husqvarna snowblower up at our local dealership. And just want to make sure everything's still working. Yeah, everything's still working. It's hurting, but it was really hurt when I got it anyway. These bars were snapped when I bought it here. It had this kind of mechanism on it. So I changed the whole bar assembly out. And what else? Oh yeah, the muffler. The muffler was just toast on it. I would have got you guys footage of this how I got my GoPro. The muffler had just a hole in the top of it. And this is at the dealership, so I asked for a price in the muffler. He says $139. I go see my buddy Skunker. Brand new muffler. Well, couple-year-old muffler for $25, and I got this bar. This bar I had to change for free. So I did this all on my driveway right here, on the back of my tailgate right there. Repaired this whole thing. And all that's pretty much left now is to put the tires back on, which we all know is very simple. I would have caught this all on video, but all the work that I had to do, my phone kept freezing up. So I'm just showing you what I did, and I'm getting a GoPro this week. I don't know when, sometime this week. And then I can show you what how this stuff's done, and you can do it yourself. So I put the new bar on. I put these on hand tight, you know. They snapped the old bar and they put some kind of a custom mechanism on. I use the old bolt because we threaded them the way it was. So I'm just tightening everything up now. That's all in there. I'm gonna give it a good grind down. First thing you want is one original bolt down here from the factory, the only one. I don't know why the guy didn't he just like doctored it up. I think it would be more work for what he did than just get a used bar. These are just Grassman's, eh? That's all these are, just Grassman. Blowers, yard work, MTV, same thing. All the parts we're gonna change. This bar that I put on is off of Yardworks, and it fit like it was, you know, came off the machine. Mind you, it's black and that one's gray, but unless you got a microscope, we got a shortage of snow up here. Or it's not a shortage of snow, shortage of snow blowers, so we don't have any snow. It was also missing a bolt, so I put one there, and then this one needs to be tightened up yet. But yeah, so basically, to get this bad boy going nicely, and for resale, remember I told y'all I buy snowmobiles, snow blowers, everything. I had to change that bar out, the exhaust out. I did it all in my driveway, which was pretty simple, you know. I think any bonehead can really do this stuff. Well, maybe not everyone, because there's probably a guy watching this thinking my bar snapped and I fixed it how the other guy did. So I'm just putting the wheel tire nuts in here. There's one. Put the other one in on this side. It's hard to start a transmission, this guy. It's got the actual transmission in it. There's two. It's actually a beast of a blower. Guy at Arnstein's, I asked him how much it cost. New, he said about $3,000. So there she is now. Now, that's her now. Got the Husqvarna logo on it. Had that broken bar. Now it's a totally different blower. Just gonna give it a quick test to see if she's flipped upside down for a minute. Might take a minute to start, so just gonna try it here. I'll pull it from still fires up nice and good. I got the choke knob. The guy gave me the choke knob from Arnstein's. That's probably a $20 part, an actual Briggs & Stratton choke knob, which I'm going to throw on right now. And then I'm going to do a whole cleaning over of this blower. It should be put up on the market like new. There's your choke knob there. I just got to clean it up now and yeah, watch it fly. Got power steering, everything on this thing. Hand warmers. It's got it all. I'm actually pretty impressed with how nice the snowblower was and how lack of care the guy took of it. Like even the Husqvarna said, well, take it, bend it back down, you know. Show it with pride, you know. You paid $3,000 for something, you're just gonna let it rot. I don't know. That took me all of maybe an hour to do, if that. That's only because I couldn't find the tools. Let's see if we're out of fuel here. Oh, we got fuel. She just choked. So she said, hey, I've been choked, I'm warmed up. Alright, is fuel off? Fuel's on. I'll have to look into that. It is kind of low on fuel, but I don't think that's the issue. I think the fuel, I turned it off and I flipped it over. Nope, she's on now. There we go. That might help a little. Just bring it over here for a second. There's a beast. Right there. Oh, I got a little electric start here. Could be from being tipped up. We'll just check it out here quick with the electric start on it. I don't think it works, but if it does, that's a bonus. Ooh. I don't like the looks of that. Alright. Something has cut it off, and I think I know exactly what it is. I think I put this cover on, there was wires hanging around. I didn't care to hook up the ignition again. I bet you one of those wires grounded out under here. Yeah, that's probably what it should be. There's one of them. Just that little bit sometimes can be your enemy. That's, I don't know which one that is. There was a ground and then there was a an electrical one that was hooked up to the key, and I could almost guarantee that's what's going on. So we'll just take this off and we'll have another video of it running and cleaned up properly, looking nice. But yeah, just did that quick. Y'all seen it running quickly, and I want to look into this though real quick, so I'll let you guys go.